Hello everyone, it's me again and I'm here with your 6th lesson. If you have not seen the previous lessons, then click on the subscribe button and watch all the lessons there. Let's get started. This is a lowercase f. This is an uppercase F. Now it's time for phonics. F sounds f, f, f. Very good. Now let's do vocabulary. F for frog, frog, frog. What is this? This is a frog. F for fish, fish, fish. What is this? This is a fish. F for farmer, farmer, farmer. What is this? This is a farmer. F for fire truck, fire truck, fire truck. What is this? This is a fire truck. Yay! We are done with yet another lesson. Stay tuned for lesson 7 coming on Saturday. And click subscribe for much more.